Hey guys, it's Eric from Quality Electric. Last video we talked about portable generators, and this week we're going to be talking about automatic generators. A lot of times our customers don't want to deal with hauling around a portable generator and dealing with the gas and the maintenance that come along with a portable generator, or maybe they're just not physically able to do that. Those types of customers are usually a good candidate for an automatic generator. Just like a customer we had in Dover who's getting this 14 kW right here. That customer lives with somebody who's on oxygen, and the last winter storm that we got took her power out for 5 days. So she was without power for 5 days with no way to run her oxygen, and that was just not a good situation for her. After spending some time going over options and figuring out what was best for her, in her situation, an automatic generator was the right choice for her. Not only that, we were able to get her qualified for 0% interest financing, so she's able to get this generator without putting any money down and financing the whole entire thing with no interest. Here at Quality Electric, we're all certified Generac installers, so we know all the ins and outs of installing these things efficiently, per manufacturer's instructions and per local codes. I've been installing Generacs personally for over a decade, and out of all the manufacturers out there, they are by far the most reliable and most efficient units available. One of the other reasons I love these units is that they're made 100% in America, and I don't just mean assembled in America, I mean they are engineered, designed, and built right here in America, in Wisconsin, where they know a thing or two about bad winter weather. Because they're made in America, they don't deal with a lot of the same supply chain issues that other parts of the country deal with in getting their products over here. There are a few different ways that Generacs can be installed, and those types of installations can have a big impact on the type of installation and the overall cost. Generacs range in size from 7,500 watt up to 26,000 watts. There's a couple different types of transfer switches you can use, but my personal favorite is one like this right here. This is a 200 amp whole home automatic transfer switch. With a transfer switch like this, there's no need to pick and choose which circuits you want to use during a power failure or anything like that. You lose power, the generator starts, the transfer switch transfers, and you have everything, and that's it. These transfer switches can be installed inside or outside. When they're installed outside, they're usually right next to your electrical meter. When we install them inside, we usually put them right next to the main panel. Those types of decisions can be made during your generator consultation. The other type of transfer switch that's available is referred to as a sub-panel transfer switch. So they range in size from 8 to 16 circuits. So what that means is you pick 16 essential circuits, and only those circuits can be used during a power failure to be controlled by the generator. In order to make sure that your generator is sized correctly, there's a lot of things that we take into consideration. One of those things is the current existing loads that you have in your house, your HVAC system, your electric appliances, anything that you think you'll want to use during a power failure. And we also take into account future use, things you may want to add down the road. We want to make sure that your generator is sized to handle not only what you have now, but what you plan to have in the future. There's a lot of different companies out there that are installing generators right now. What I think is important for everybody to remember is that you should really be looking for a licensed electrician to install your generator. Not every generator installer is also an electrician. I may be biased because we're master electricians, but I think that your generator should be installed by an electrician, because when we go into your home, we don't have our blinders on, only thinking about getting this generator installed and that's it. Our goal is to improve your entire electrical system as a whole and leave you with a better setup than what you had before. There's been many times where we go into a home that recently had a generator installed, and there's a lot of things that should have been addressed during the generator installation. Not only is it more efficient to do it during the installation, but if you're financing the project, you can roll all those upgrades or repairs all into one project. Our dedication to the highest quality installation that not only meet and exceeds the local codes and requirements, but also looks clean and neat when we're done, extends from our regular electrical projects into our generator installations as well. The question we get asked all the time is, how much does an automatic generator cost? Well, there's too many variables that go into designing these projects that there's no way I could give anybody even a range. Some of those things are the size and the location of the generator, the type of installation, if you already have propane or natural gas present at the home. Those are the things that can impact the design of the project. If you don't already have a gas contractor, maybe reach out to whoever provides your fuel right now, or you can contact us and get your free generator consultation, and we can include the gas portion of the project within our scope. If you don't already have a propane provider, we have vetted contractors that we utilize to install our units for our customers. When you're thinking about an automatic generator, you should really think about it like it's an investment. It's an investment in your home, your quality of life, and your peace of mind. All of our installations come with the first year maintenance for free, and then we can take care of it for you moving forward through our VIP memberships. We recommend getting your generator serviced every year for a lot of different reasons. One is that the manufacturer recommends it, and two, the harsh New England winters can be tough on equipment. So every year, we want to put eyes on your equipment, to test it, make sure it's running the way it's supposed to so that you don't have any surprises during a storm. So if you think an automatic generator might be right for you and you don't want to go through the hassle of lining up gas installation, trenching, and all that stuff, you can go ahead and give us a call, schedule your free in-home consultation, and you'll get a turnkey generator experience.